I'm going to show you how you can change the height or the width of an object in Phonto. Let's open the app. In this case, I'm just going to go right here to the bottom on the left side. I'm going to go to add an item. In this case, I'm just going to tap on this arrow and then tap on it again and tap on size. Then you're going to see width right here in the middle. And as you can see, you can change it. And also you can change the height, make it taller, make it shorter. Once you have the shape that you like, you can actually just change the overall size, and that's how you can change the height or the width of an object.